Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Python's pie chart inside Power BI. As you see, it is dynamic, it is creative pie visual, and I will show how to create this kind of visual inside Power BI. First, we should choose a Python visual, and we should add data, category, and value. And don't summarize. Okay, value. And our libraries, Matplotlib and Pandas. Matplotlib pyplot as plt, pandas as pd. I should call our data frame its dataset. Category is category. And values is just value. Value, dataset, value. And we should create our plot pie, and we should add our categories and values. Values here, it's value, and label categories. plt show. Okay, we have our pie chart, but we don't have its percentage. We should add percentage of the percentage. It should be, okay, I forgot. Oh, it's F, the letter F we should write. Yeah, you see, we have our percentage now, but we want to explode a category. For example, maybe it can be groceries. Category equal groceries. Now explode. It should apart explode 0 if category is 0.1 if category is exploded category, I mean groceries, else 0. You will see why I put 0.1. If you put 0.5, it will be bigger. Explode is explode. Okay. Now you see. Now look. It's okay. Good. We can change our category. For example, we can put furniture. It shows another one. Okay. Good. Start angle. It should be 90 degree. Good. But we should sort. It should be sorted by value. Data set. Called data set point sort value. By value. That doesn't mean it's okay, I think. We can format our pie chart shadow, for example, draw. You see there is a shadow, little shadow. It's just for design. I forgot What should I do? It can be black. Mm-hmm. Okay. Curly bracket. I put it in the wrong place. Okay, good. So we can do it in white or black is okay. I think line with, for example, 3. Okay. Right. Yes, sir. I don't wrong. Okay. I think let's go.